Okay, just really quick, if you need to set up the email group for how we talked about if you suspect that someone is under the influence or in possession of a vape, tobacco, or something illegal, and you're going to send it to all of these people, then this is how you set up that group. Okay, the first thing you'll do is you'll go to your email and you'll go to the bottom left corner and you'll click on the little people there, and then you're going to go here and you're going to say New Contact Group. From there, you'll enter the emergency contact group right here. You'll click Add Members from your address book. And let's say the first one is Hugh Fyatt. Maybe I need to put his last name in first. There we go. Okay, and then add another member from your address book, and I'll add Pingle. Okay, and then you'll just keep adding those members, and then once you have that set up, you'll hit Save and Close, and you will have your emergency contact group that you need to email if you need it. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.